Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest walking tour video. In this video, I'll take you on a journey through some of the most picturesque beaches in France, capturing their beauty and stunning 4 Kelvin resolution. Before we begin, I'd like to ask you to click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel content. Your support helps me continue to create these videos and share my experiences with you. Our journey begins in the charming town of Saint-Tropez, known for its luxurious beach clubs, bustling markets, and stunning coastline.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
As we walk along the coast, you'll see the famous Plage de Pampelonne, a long stretch of white and beach lined with chic restaurants and bars. Next, we'll head to the charming village of Cassis, nestled between the dramatic Calanques cliffs and the Mediterranean Sea. The village is famous for its picturesque harbor and small beach, where locals and tourists alike come to swim and sunbathe. From there, we'll journey to the stunning beaches of Nice, a popular destination on the French Riviera. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with my latest travel content. Thank you for joining me on this walking tour of the most picturesque beaches in France. I'll see you in my next video.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.